Welcome to this new ukulele lesson with Upa Upa Tahiti. Today we are learning a Tahitian song by the artist Esther Tefana. It's a song called Tui Hei. It means the making of the flower crown. The flower crown is one of our symbol, like in Polynesia, in French Polynesia, because, for example, when you arrived on the main island, you are welcomed with a flower crown. So you only need 3 chords to play this song. It's a really short song. Then I'm gonna show you a strumming pattern that goes really well with this style of song, and we're gonna finish with the play along. Let's start. Okay, so now let's start with the chords. So the first chord you need to play this song is the C chord. So you just put your index or middle or ring finger on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. So bottom string of the 3rd fret, the first string of the 3rd fret. The next chord is the G7 chord. So to play this chord you need 3 fingers. So first you put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then your ring finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret, and your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. So I repeat that. So the 2nd string of the 1st fret, you put your index finger. The 1st string of the 2nd fret, so the bottom string of the 2nd fret, you put your ring finger. And the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, you put your middle finger. Give you the G7 chord. And the last chord is the A minor chord. So you just put your index finger on the up string of the 2nd fret. So the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And that's it for the chord. Now I'm showing you the pattern to play the strum. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the pattern you need for the strum. So basically the pattern is gonna be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then you repeat that. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, up.
joining me today. I hope you're gonna like this song. Don't hesitate to share the video, to comment, also to like it, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you next week with a new song. Bye bye.